Kind people don't announce their kindness. They don't remind you of favors. They don't count how many times they helped you. They don't keep score. They believe that goodness will come back to them. Someday, they believe, if I'm honest, the world will be honest with me. If I'm loyal, people will value me. If I'm kind, I'll be treated kindly. But life doesn't always work that way. Kind people give second chances, then third chances, then excuses for the fourth mistake, and slowly, without realizing it, they teach others how to treat them. Kindness without boundaries becomes self-destruction. Remember this line. You'll understand its weight by the end of the story. There was once a man named Arav. Arav was known for one thing, his kindness. People came to him for advice, for help, for support. He never said no. When his friend needed money, Arav helped. When someone betrayed him, Arav forgave. When people ignored his feelings, Arav stayed silent. He believed silence was maturity, but silence slowly turned into pain. Some people don't see kindness as kindness. They see it as weakness, availability, permission. They think he'll understand. She won't mind. He's too nice to leave. And this is where the damage begins. Not loudly, not suddenly, but quietly, slowly, deep inside. One day, Arav helped a close friend during a difficult time. He stayed awake at night, ignored his own problems, put someone else first. Months later, when Arav needed support, that friend was suddenly busy. No calls, no messages, no explanations. That night, Arav realized something painful. Kind people remember every wound. They just choose not to talk about it. Kind people don't break easily. They crack silently. Instead of learning, Arav blamed himself. Maybe I expected too much. Maybe I'm being sensitive. Maybe this is just life. And so, the pattern continued. New people, same behavior, same disappointment. Because when you don't set boundaries, people don't see limits. Kind people listen more than they speak, feel deeply, care genuinely, and that makes them emotionally open. But open hearts need protection. Otherwise, the world walks in, without wiping its feet. One day, Arav was sitting alone, surrounded by people, yet feeling invisible. That's when the truth hit him. I was kind to everyone, except myself. That realization hurt more than any betrayal. Self-respect is not selfish, it is survival. Arav didn't stop being kind, but he stopped over-explaining, stopped tolerating disrespect, stopped sacrificing peace for approval. He learned to say, no, that's not okay. I deserve better. And something strange happened. Some people left, and that was the answer he needed. When you stop being available to be used, users disappear. And that's not loneliness, that's freedom. Being kind doesn't mean accepting disrespect, staying silent in pain, forgiving without change. True kindness includes strength, because the strongest hearts are gentle by choice, not force. If you are a kind person watching this, don't change your heart. The world needs it, but protect it, because kind people don't get hurt because they are weak. They get hurt because they see the good in people. Before seeing the truth, if this story touched you, remember, you are not alone. Your kindness is rare, your heart is valuable. Don't let the wrong people convince you otherwise. Comment below, I choose kindness with boundaries, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this today.